The view at Highland Park feels like one of Durham's hidden gems, a place where you can enjoy scenic surroundings, larger lots, and a more tranquil settings without giving up easy access to everything the city has to offer. Thanks to its elevated settings, many home sites here enjoy beautiful views overlooking parts of downtown Durham and so pretty to look at right and a rare feature that hard to find this close to the city. It's indeed a hidden gem. What I love about this community is that it offers the best of both worlds. You get the convenience of being just minutes from downtown Durham, Duke University, Duke Hospitals, and RTP. Yet, when you're here, it feels so peaceful and tucked away. The community is surrounded by mature trees, rolling terrain, and larger home sites. That that really provides a sense of privacy and space that's becoming increasingly difficult to find in newer neighborhoods. So I can't wait to show you and take a look at this beautiful home and see what makes it so special. Also, there's an amazing incentive that this community offers, so watch out for that. Okay. Hey everyone, this is Anjanette, your local realtor here in the Triangle area of North Carolina. And if you're thinking about moving to North Carolina or just curious what it is like to live here, you're in the right place. On this channel, I tour homes, explore communities, and also share what life is really like here in places like Cary, Apex, Durham, and Raleigh. And if you enjoy this type of content, I'd love for you to subscribe, like, and follow along. And whenever you're ready in 9 days or 9 months, feel free to reach out. I'm always happy to help. Welcome to the view at Highland Park. This floor plan is called the Brooks European. It has 4 bedroom, 3 full bathroom, and it has a screen porch and also 2-car garage. And today I'm going to take you for a tour in this about 2,900 square foot home here in the view at Highland Park. So as you enter this foyer, it is very nice and wide and plenty of space to move around when you come in. And it's has this nice distance from here to the wall. So it's very good size. And then on your left, right here, this is your beautiful and spacious dining, formal dining area. Gorgeous. And it has these nice windows here for more light. And those are kind of a nice addition if you notice. And look at this details here. It's gorgeous. And let's go towards this section here. So from the front door, as you walked in, here is your living space. And of course, they're very known for that shiplap accent wall right here and this gorgeous fireplace right here. And this one flows seamlessly to the kitchen. Look at this. This kitchen is really beautiful. It has this, let's turn the lights on here. I don't know. So they can see the, all right. So anyways, so this kitchen has this gorgeous, if you notice, it has this nice, shaped island here. This quartz island is very spacious. Plenty of, if you're entertaining, you have plenty of room here on this table. And it has this beautiful range hood and, wide electric stove. So, and as you come here, there is this space here. I think you can turn it into maybe your coffee or butler's pantry if you want. as an upgrade, but you can use this space for anything related to your kitchen. And right here is your walk-in pantry. And from this side, you have that easy access from the kitchen to your, formal dining area. So why don't we head here? So this home features a formal dining area and a guest bedroom right here, which is tucked at the back. And this guest bedroom, or maybe it could be converted to your office if you needed a home office. This place is perfect. And look at the view. That's why all of the homes here, most of the homes has this Homesites that is tucked. You have a backyard of mature pine trees or trees that, creates this beautiful scenic view for you guys. And this bedroom has its own closet space right here. Okay? So here's also your drop zone. You can have a bench put in here where you can put all your coats, your bag, your purses, your shoes, and also coat closet from the garage. Okay? This one has 2-car garage space right here. Awesome. Okay, and there is a full bathroom here that your guests can use. Okay? And easy access to the main floor. So that's a good addition here. You might want to ask, where's the bathroom? There's the bathroom right here. So let's head to the second floor where there are 4 bedrooms up here. And let's head towards here first. So let's go to the bedrooms back here. So this is bedroom number 1. This is the space that you get. You can easily probably put a nice, full-size bed here easily. And with 2 side tables and your walk-in closet right here. It's not a walk-in, it's a closet, It's very spacious, goes from wall to wall. Lots of storage, lots of closet space. Bedroom number 1. And that bedroom number 1 here has a nice access here to the full bathroom and 2 sinks and your shower area. And it has easy access to this bedroom. I noticed that this room is a little bit bigger than the other room, the first bedroom. So, and here is the closet space. Okay. Let's come in here, and here is your washer and dryer. Wow, nice washer and dryer. Very spacious washer and dryer. And I like the sink. That's a good feature here. If you needed that, I'm the one, I usually use the sink in our bedroom. So 2 bedrooms back here, and here's the 3rd bedroom here. Okay, wait, let's go. That's the primary suite. Yes, this is the bonus. Okay, bonus room could be converted to bedroom if you want to, but it's a bonus room or theater room, or hobby room, exercise room, or all of the above. Because look at the space. Every corner here is being used. You can use it as a game room, theater room, and there's a lot of space here. Okay, so feel free to use it whatever you want to use it for. And I'm sure everybody wants to see the primary bedroom right now. Look at this space, guys. It's huge. You know why it's huge? The location of this primary bedroom is also very thoughtfully designed, because it's at the back of the home where you have this view of those mature trees behind you, which adds more, quietness and peaceful view from your bedroom. So, huge bedroom, easily you can put like large king size bed here. And let's walk towards these two, two separate, sinks right here. Vanity sinks, his and hers. And look at the space. I notice you have lots of counter space here for your vanity and more storage here at the bottom. Your water closet, private water closet here. Nice window here that gives a cascading, light. And your shower, walk-in shower, which is very convenient. And then, as you walk in here, there's more storage for, closet storage here for linens, towels and stuff. And here is your walk-in closet here in the primary suite. It's very good size. Awesome. Right, I love this. And so you're probably wondering, what is the price? This is the end of the tour. Have we seen we have not seen the screen porch. Yeah, why don't we go to the screen porch and I will let you know what is the price of this home. One thing I really like I keep mentioning it, that the uniqueness of this community is the location. So I'll show you why I said that. Over here at the back, oops, somebody's mowing. It might be a little noisy. But we'll just take a quick look here of the screen porch right here, guys. It's really nice, screened-in porch. And look at the mature trees or the trees behind you, which is really nice. Okay. Very good. Usually, let's come in. Screen porch are really nice to keep the bugs away. And it's, it's very convenient. All right, that's the end of the tour. And I'm sure you guys are curious how much this home is a 4-bedroom, 3-bath, 2,929 square feet home, and it is the Brook European floor plan. And right now, this current home is priced at $644,999, considering, the square footage and the half-an-acre lot size here. It's really, I think it's a very good price affordability. So I hope you like this home tour, and I will provide you more information about this community. We're just having fun here right now because you know what's going to happen today? We're going to give you all the good incentives that Molly Williams here, she's from the View community here by McKee Homes, and they are offering awesome incentives right now. So let's hear it from Molly.
Thank you so much. It's so wonderful to have you here today. And currently, on both our move-in ready homes and our pre-sale homes, we have a very rare incentive of $20,000. So did you hear that?
Yeah.
You can do that for a pre-sale, which is so rare. You can actually choose your home site, pick your floor plan, and get $20,000 with our preferred lender. And of course, our move-in ready homes, we oftentimes have something to offer the buyer. So
awesome.
But that's a big deal. Do you ever hear about a pre-sale having an incentive? It's so rare.
That is so rare. That's why if you want to take advantage of that, please feel free to call us or visit the View here. And our information will be down below the description of this video. And call us right away because this is the incentive as of today, and we are not sure how long it's going to be.
That's right.
All right, call us.
Thank you.
So this place is located minutes from downtown Durham, Duke University, Duke Hospital, RTP, shopping and dining and parks, and also RTP areas. And this home offers the perfect combination of convenience and tranquility. So at the View, Homesites is up to larger half-acre, and few of them are in the 0.8 acre lot size. So this is a great place where you can feel tranquility, and the surrounding is very spread apart. So if this is that type of dream home that you are thinking about, why don't you call me, reach out to me, text me, send me an email. I love to hear what you're looking for, and I want to help you through the process. And just remember, I help a lot of buyers locally and also those relocating from out of state. So I look forward to hearing from you.
Keep it on repeat, tested by the potion, love it is devotion.